You're the boss of your life. Your choices shape your journey. Listen up, folks. Life is all about choices. Every single thing you do, every path you take, every result you get, it's all down to the choices you make. And I'm not just talking about the big, earth-shattering decisions. I'm talking about the small, everyday choices too. Think about it. You choose to hit the snooze button or get up early. You choose to munch on a burger or a salad. You choose to hit the gym or hit the couch. You choose to hustle or to slack off. All these choices, they add up, and they shape the kind of life you lead. Let's get real for a second. Say you spend your evenings vegging out in front of the TV, stuffing your face with chips. Over time, that choice is going to lead to a few extra pounds, some health problems, and a whole lot of nothing getting done. But if you choose to spend that time working out, reading, or working on a side hustle, you're setting yourself up for better health, more knowledge, and personal growth. Now, I've got a method to help you make better choices. I call it the Core 4. It's all about focusing on 4 key areas of your life: your body, your being, your balance, and your business. Your body is about your physical health. You got to choose to eat right, exercise, and get enough sleep. Your being is about your emotional and spiritual health. You got to choose to meditate, be grateful, or get some therapy if you need it. Your balance is about your relationships. You got to choose to spend quality time with the people you love, communicate openly, and set boundaries. And your business is about your career and finances. You got to choose to set goals, learn more, or even start your own business. So, remember, everything you do in life is as a result of the decisions you make. It's all about taking responsibility for your choices and making better ones. By focusing on the Core 4, you can seriously level up your life. Point 2. Core 4 is your life's cheat sheet, covering your body, mind, relationships, and work. Let's talk about Core 4, a kick-ass framework that's all about making your life better. It's like a roadmap to success, a blueprint for a kick-ass life, and a guide to smashing your goals. Core 4 is made up of 4 parts: power, passion, purpose, and production. Power is all about your body. It's about keeping fit, eating right, and understanding that your physical health is a big part of your overall life quality. Think of your body like a car. It needs the right fuel to run smoothly, right? Same goes for your body. Passion is all about your relationships. And I'm not just talking about your romantic relationships. I'm talking about your friendships, your family, and your connection with the community. It's about building strong relationships and understanding how they impact your life. Purpose is all about your mind. It's about your mental and emotional health, your beliefs, your values, and your attitudes. It's about having a positive mindset, learning from life's lessons, and always growing. It's about finding your why in life, the thing that gets you out of bed every morning. Production is all about your work or business. It's about your financial stability and prosperity. It's about setting and smashing professional goals, contributing to society, and finding satisfaction in your work. These 4 parts of Core 4 are all connected. They're like the 4 legs of a table. If one is weak or missing, the table will wobble or collapse. Same goes for your life. If one part of your life is neglected, it can mess up the other parts. So, how do you use Core 4 in your life? Think of it like eating an elephant. You can't eat it all at once. You have to take it one bite at a time. Same goes for improving your life. You need to take small, manageable steps. For example, you might start by setting a goal to exercise for 30 minutes a day, power. Spend quality time with your loved ones each week, passion. Read a self-improvement book, purpose, and set a monthly budget, production. As you consistently take these small steps, you'll gradually see improvements in all areas of your life. In a nutshell, Core 4 is a holistic approach to life that encourages balance and continuous improvement. It's a tool that can help you navigate life's challenges, smash your goals, and live a kick-ass life. Point 3. Treat your body right. It's the vehicle for your life's journey. Let's get real here. Taking care of your body isn't just about looking good in a swimsuit. It's about setting yourself up for success in every aspect of your life. Sean Whalen, the guy who wrote that kick-ass book, lays it out pretty clear. First off, let's talk about managing your body. It's not just about hitting the gym or eating your veggies. It's about making choices that benefit your overall health. Think about hiring a personal trainer or getting a buddy to keep you accountable. It's not just about shedding pounds or getting ripped, it's about feeling good and being at your best. Why does this matter? Because when you're physically fit, you're ready to take on the world. You've got more energy, your brain's firing on all cylinders, and you're better equipped to handle whatever life throws at you. A healthy body means a sharper mind, which can help you kill it at work or school. Plus, being fit can boost your mood and cut down on stress, leading to better relationships and a happier life. But it's not just about the physical stuff. Waylon also talks about the importance of healthy relationships. Negative emotions like anger, resentment, and sadness can hold you back. So, it's crucial to cut out any sources of negativity in your life, whether it's a toxic partner, a frenemy, a difficult family member, or even your own self-doubt. Instead of reacting negatively, try responding positively. Walk away from a fight, express your feelings without starting a war, and focus on your own growth instead of getting caught up in other people's drama. By taking control of your relationships, you can create a more positive and supportive environment for your personal growth. So, to sum it up, taking care of your body and your relationships are key to personal growth. By focusing on your physical health and building positive relationships, you're setting yourself up for success in all areas of your life. That's the real deal, according to Waylon. So, get out there and make SH*T happen. Point 4. Your mind's the control room. It kickstarts everything you do. Listen up, folks. Everything you do, every single thing, starts in your noggin. It's like the boss of your life, calling the shots and steering the ship. Every move you make, every word you spit out, it all starts with a thought. Let's say you want to start a business. That idea didn't just pop out of nowhere. It started as a tiny spark in your brain. You fed it, nurtured it, planned it out. And then, bam, you're making it happen. Same goes for getting fit. It all starts with a thought. You decide you want to be healthier, you plan your workouts, you pick out the good food, and then you get off your butt and do it. But here's the kicker. Your mind is like a garden. Plant good stuff, you get good stuff. Plant crap, you get crap. That's why you got to feed your brain with all the good vibes, knowledge, and positivity you can find. One way to do this is to start your day right. Maybe you read a book that pumps you up, watch a video that gets you motivated, or have a chat with someone who always makes you feel good. Starting your day on a high note sets the tone for the rest of your day. For example, you could get up early, do a little exercise, read something inspiring, and then chow down on a healthy breakfast. This routine doesn't just feed your body, it feeds your brain too, setting you up for a kick-ass day. Another tip? Plan your day the night before. Knowing what you've got on your plate can help you keep your cool and make sure you get stuff done. Remember, your brain is a powerful tool. It can be your best friend or your worst enemy. Feed it with positivity and take control of your thoughts, and you'll be steering your life in the direction you want. So, to wrap it up, everything you do starts in your mind. Your thoughts shape your actions shape your habits, and your habits shape your life. So, take control of your mind, and you'll take control of your life. Simple as that. Point 5. Pick a job that pays the bills, not just one you love. Let's talk about your career. It's not just about making a living, it's about making a life. You've got to pick a job that not only pays the bills, but also keeps you happy and stress-free. Think of your life as a car, and your career as the gas. If you're not filling up with the right stuff, you're going to end up on the side of the road. Now, if you're feeling like you're stuck in the breakdown lane, you've got two choices. You can throw in the towel, but that's not going to get you anywhere. Or you can get yourself a Core 4 coach. This isn't some sign of weakness, it's a sign of strength. It's about recognizing that you need a little guidance to get back on track. Think about it. All the big shots, from sports stars to CEOs, have coaches. These folks bring their own experiences and wisdom to the table, giving you a fresh perspective and some solid advice. At the end of the day, your financial success or failure is in your hands. You've got to decide if you're going to sink or swim. Here are a few tips to help you stay afloat. 1. Show your worth. Let people know what you bring to the table. Show off your skills, share your knowledge, prove your worth. 2. Set your sights. Know what you want, why you want it, and how you're going to get it. Having a clear goal gives you direction and purpose. 3. Keep learning. Never stop soaking up new information. Read books, go to seminars, take online courses. Knowledge is power. 4. Follow the leaders. Find people who are where you want to be and learn from them. Copy their strategies, adopt their mindset. 5. Pay it forward. Help others who are interested in what you're doing. Mentor, share your knowledge, provide services. In a nutshell, pick a career that can keep you going, both financially and emotionally. If you're having a hard time juggling work and life, consider getting a coach. Remember, your financial success is in your hands. It's up to you to make it happen. Point 6. You're the captain of your ship. Steer it wisely. Let's get real here. Life's a journey, right? And you're in the driver's seat. Your life is that car, and you're the one holding the steering wheel. You decide where to go, how fast, when to stop, and when to take a detour. Sure, you can't control the weather or the potholes in the road, but you can control how you react to them. Rain starts pouring? You can slow down, flip on the wipers, or pull over until the storm passes. Same goes for life. You can't control everything that happens, but you can control how you react. Now let's talk about the core 4. It's all about 4 key areas of life: your body, your being, your balance, and your business. Nail one, and it'll have a positive ripple effect on the others. For instance, if you're in good shape physically, you'll have more energy and focus for your work. If you're emotionally fulfilled, your relationships are likely to be better. So, how do you put this into action? Here are some real-world tips. 1. Find a job you love. If your job sucks, change it. You could go for a different role in the same field, switch industries, or even start your own gig. The point is to find something that matches your interests and values. 2. Hang out with positive people. The folks you spend time with can seriously affect your mindset and behavior. If someone's always bringing you down, it might be time to cut them loose. Instead, find people who inspire and lift you up. 3. Stay positive. Try to focus on the good stuff each day and be grateful for it. This doesn't mean you ignore problems, but tackle them with a can-do, solution-focused attitude. 4. See challenges as opportunities. Don't view hurdles as roadblocks, but as chances to grow. When things get tough, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? How can I use this to become stronger or wiser? 5. Be grateful. Instead of dwelling on what's wrong, appreciate what's right. This shift in perspective can lead to more happiness and satisfaction. So, the bottom line is this: you're in charge of your life. You can't control everything that happens, but you can control how you react. And you can make choices that align with your values and contribute to your well-being. It's all about taking the wheel and driving your life in the direction you want. Point 7. Conclusion. Achieving success in life is a holistic process that involves more than just financial prosperity. It requires a balance of physical health, strong relationships, and personal control over your life. To make things happen, you need to set clear, achievable goals and work towards them with unwavering determination. Financial success is not just about making more money, but also about managing it wisely. It's about creating multiple streams of income and investing in opportunities that yield high returns. It's about being financially literate and making informed decisions. Physical health is equally important. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate rest are key to maintaining good health. When you're in good shape, you're more productive, more focused, and more capable of handling stress. Relationships are the bedrock of a fulfilling life. Cultivate strong relationships with your family, friends, and colleagues. Be kind, understanding, and supportive. Remember, the quality of your relationships often determines the quality of your life. Lastly, take control of your life. Don't let circumstances or other people dictate your actions. Be proactive. Take responsibility for your actions and steer your life in the direction you want it to go. In conclusion, making SH*T happen is about taking charge of your life and working towards your goals with determination and resilience. It's about creating a balanced life that encompasses financial success, physical health, strong relationships, and personal control.